All right, let's talk about the recon worksheet. So this is going to dive a little bit deeper into the mindset, into the problems, into the pains, and into the solutions that your market or your avatar is facing. So real quick, brief review of this. You've got what are the three core desires of your market? What are the three top reasons why they have those desires? What are the 10 reasons why people won't buy from you right now? Be honest and think back. The last 10 people you tried to sell, or the last 100 people you tried to sell, what were the reasons they gave you for not buying? And also, if you can really go hard, what is the real reason behind that? Most of the time, just a hint and a tip, the golden nugget, most of the time people lie. They told you it was based on price. Well, bad news. It wasn't based on price. They didn't trust you enough to tell you the real reason, or to even process it themselves. So I won't go into further training on that. That's what our sales team's here for, and that's what our ongoing training and process is for. What are the top 3 reasons why people aren't buying from you right now? And then problems and solutions framework. So now you're going to take the top 7 problems, and you're going to also provide a solution that you propose for your market and your avatar. And again, we'll review this worksheet once you're done with our insight, and we'll make sure we nail these so that we can help speak to the situation that your prospects are facing and the result where you're going to take them. And that leads us to the escape and arrival framework. So I'll see you in that training. Have a good day.